Who says you need to travel to experience a tropical paradise's lush, relaxing vibes? With a little creativity, your small patio can become a vacation-inspired retreat that transports you to a world of palm trees, vibrant colours and soothing breezes. No passport required. Let's explore how to transform your compact outdoor space into a tropical haven that's brimming with style, comfort and tranquility. Start with the foundation, the flooring. Tropical-inspired patios often feature natural materials that mimic the raw beauty of exotic destinations. Opt for wood decking, bamboo tiles or stone pavers to create a warm and inviting base. For a budget-friendly option, consider textured concrete stamped with patterns that resemble natural stone or wood. To add a cosy touch, layer an outdoor rug in vibrant colours or tropical patterns, anchoring the space and tying together the design. Next, bring in the lush greenery that defines tropical aesthetics. Start with a mix of tall, leafy plants like palms, banana trees or bird of paradise to create a canopy effect. These not only add height and drama, but also provide shade and privacy. Surround them with mid-sized plants like ferns, philodendrons and elephant ears to add volume and texture. For pops of colour, incorporate flowering plants such as hibiscus, bougainvillea or bromeliads. Hanging baskets and wall-mounted planters are great options for smaller patios, maximising vertical space without overcrowding the floor. To keep the tropical vibe alive, consider adding a small water feature. The sound of trickling water immediately evokes relaxation and serenity. A tabletop fountain, wall-mounted waterfall, or a small pond with floating water lilies can become the centerpiece of your patio. These features not only enhance the ambience, but also help cool the space during hot days, making it even more inviting. Furniture is another key element in achieving a vacation-inspired look. Choose pieces that combine comfort with natural materials like rattan, wicker, or teak. A low-profile sofa or a set of lounge chairs with plush, weather-resistant cushions creates a cosy seating area. Stick to neutral tones for the furniture base, beige, white or grey. While introducing tropical hues through pillows, throws or seat covers in shades of turquoise, coral and lime green. If space permits, add a hammock or hanging chair for an extra touch of relaxation. Lighting transforms your patio from a daytime retreat to an evening sanctuary. String lights with Edison-style bulbs add a warm, magical glow and can be draped across walls, railings or overhead structures. Lanterns, placed strategically around the patio, provide soft illumination, while solar-powered lights are an eco-friendly way to highlight plants or pathways. For a more dramatic effect, consider placing uplights around your greenery to create shadows and depth, enhancing the tropical ambience. Decorative accents are where you can infuse your personality into the space. Tropical-inspired decor often incorporates natural elements like woven baskets, ceramic pots and driftwood. Use these to house plants, hold outdoor essentials, or simply as decorative focal points. Add colourful accessories like patterned cushions, outdoor rugs, or even a wall-mounted art piece featuring tropical motifs. If this inspired you to reimagine your patio, share these ideas with someone who loves tropical aesthetics. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to turn your home and outdoor spaces into reflections of your dream lifestyle. Your tropical escape is closer than you think.